World Cup. Our side. Brazil. Ronaldo. Brazil.
Set it up. Set it up. Set it up. Set it up. Brazil. 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 Brazil.
Brazil. Brazil. Brazil. Brazil. Beenie with the Brazilian match. The Brazilian. Hey, them will sue Beenie, you know. Not for know what he do. Brazil. Brazil and Portugal. Brazil.
Win back.
Yeah, Camielle. Camielle. Camielle.
Now we watch much. We are in the same. See, shall I find the Brazil celebrities? That's one Brazil.
Beenie.
I'm not Brazil.
Brazil.
All right.
Oh, that. Camielle, hot girl, boss lady.
One more.
USA. 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 USA.
Number 11, Ismail Sabari Rahimi for Sabari Morocco.
One more in here, brother. One more. That's one more. Very nice. Sweet. That much good. Hallelujah.
Click on those leaves there. I'm at the top. But you're up there, it's good now, isn't it? They're like 1-0 right now. HOLINESS.
I gotta say, I said this. Yes, yes.
Beenie.
You're
Beenie.
gonna hold this Moses. I'm going to
Camielle.
I'm going to go.
Yeah. Beenie got an extra mile.
This one on the sidelines. A minimum of additional 10 minutes.
Beenie got an extra mile.
10 minutes.
What did I say? About 6 minutes? What did I say? For it to finish? 10 minutes in the game.
Beenie man. Cool. Back. 6 minutes added. Score Shabang.
Oh no. And then what happened? They like 1-0. This man said,
Brazil. 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 Brazil on my side. Watch Beenie. Beenie belly. That's Beenie belly. Yo.
One goal,
they want one more.
Kale. Send it back in.
Send it black in. Sparling. Waterhouse. It look like a Waterhouse match, you know, with blue and yellow.
Remember your thing. Let me go. You want to turn it off? You want to turn it off?
Yeah, man. Send it.
Hey, Camielle, what you do about turn it off? Watch it, you know.
Hold on my phone, they're gonna ask me for it.
Hey, Camielle, what the girl body? Hey, lift up over the girl body. Right now. The whitey body them flat. But I'm married that. Beenie Dan. Number what? Beenie. Live the high life.
Pick up now. My thing. Kill me. Alright. Kale, the ball.
Kale, the bar. Acha. Brazil. 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 Hey. Brazil. Manabala, like Brazilian. Shot caller. Right Ronaldinho. Rivaldo. Beenie dog.
Work fair. Yeah. Keep the young ones strong. Respect to the team and I play against because bad team. But the young boy is strong. Seriously.
Seriously.
Yeah. Alright, so them there what I say. Them get mad, you know, watch it. So them there what I say, them get the red people them. No plan for them stop. Not second. Yeah. Yeah. Boy. Dead. Who them? See them beaten. Beaten up. Beaten. Jesus Christ, my man. Beaten. What you do with the man? Do with the man? Stop there, fucker. Really bang. Alright, win. Win that. See that. Collect back. Yeah. Terrifying. Man, I do nothing to him. Man, nothing to him, terrifying. Nothing, man. Yeah. Bad over there. That's it. Bad over there. I'm very African there. Bad over there. Alright. It's very matter.
Free kick. Game almost done.
Alright, set it up. Set it up, goalkeeper.
Go Knicks. Yeah.
Set it up, I don't know if pick it up and I'm going to set it. Alright, here when I said. Here when I said. Here when I said. When I say ball run. Try to remember that. Yeah. Go next one time. We don't know that. Tonight, a basketball. Dead. Dead. Terrified.
To Beenie.
Hey.
Jaja.
Hey.
Goal! 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 Me catch it. We never gone away.
Goalkeeper.
When say goalkeeper.
Yeah, boy, I own a armpit. Goalkeeper. Be a armpit. It's the summer or summer.
Goalkeeper. Goalkeeper.
Yeah. Alright. Them not fear, but that's the thing. Yeah. Dead. Balance in the center. Only about 2 minutes left for the match.
2 minutes. Match done.
Your final group score this evening from New York, New Jersey, Brazil 1, Morocco 1.
What? Is that a draw? Brazil won. What the fuck? Hey, yo, that's crazy. Yo, respect for being here for this one. You see me? I say we get a little piece of the World Cup. You see me? Yeah, things looking up, looking nice, looking just right. Camielle enjoy herself. You see me? We like that. But you know, say Beenie I go to the extreme. You see me? For sure, say yeah, I might do it. You see me? Anything with make it seem like I might do it, and nobody can defeat or beat, him I go do it. Is it? I look like yeah, yo. King Beenie Man paused the live. But I done the live, done. I could see if it are forward block or if it are just end. Or if we never see them again. Many them wished upon me. Blood in my dog and I can't see. Watch what you talk when you talk about me. 'Cause I'll make you take your life away. I put a hole in a nigga fucking with me. My back against the wall, now you gon' see. Better watch how you talk when you talking about me. 'Cause I'm gonna take your life away. Many gal, many gal. Sit down on my cocky hands over and skin it over. Have mercy on many gal. Many gal. Put their thing on me and I don't cry no more. I don't look to the sky no more. I don't have mercy on them. I'm begging them to have mercy on me. I'm going hard like I show speed. I don't take off my brief. I just zip down my jeans and I position her way it seems like. We have a blackout. JPS. Blackout. Got a blackout. We got a blackout. Who's there to knock out? We got a blackout. Got a blackout. Got a blackout. Blackout. Try so. Yeah, my people. So as you're seeing, you know, that them have quite a turnout, you know, in the stadium. The seat them seems, you know, quite fairly full, but not to its fullest potential. Cause daytime, and we can tell, say, there's room for more, you know, and that is because, well, for one, legend has it, and it's facts, you know, fun facts, that Brazil, when the World Cup is being held and have been held in Brazil, that was when it have the highest amount of fans, you know, in the seats who had attended the World Cup. You know what I mean? And Africa had one of the highest number of visitors of fans. You know, the number was high. And the reason for now, like, everything is so political in this here World Cup being held in America. You know, the last time there was a lot of things going on in Qatar where the World Cup was being held. And, you know, but this is like worse with the many restriction, teams have been restricted. Haiti had to change their jersey because of how the picture on their jersey with some artwork of players holding up their Haiti flag. There was a drawing on their jersey with some Haitian holding up their flag, and they seem to have depicted some political issues with how America and the FIFA Federation, I guess, never liked. So they had to change their jersey. England, right? The England team, all their jerseys and items were stolen, right? At the very last minute, all their things were stolen. Okay? So a lot of things have been going on. And there was this highly respected referee from Africa. I'm sorry to say I don't remember which country in Africa he is actually from, but he is highly respected as a fair and honest referee. And his name is now being praised in America and in Canada and worldwide because he was rejected from entering or from partaking or working at the World Cup in America. So I believe he was ordered to be sent back to Africa, and Canada had offered for him to, stay there in Canada, which I believe he is currently doing at this moment, because some of the matches I get to understand will be playing or have played already in Canada, and so it will move to America. I think that's how they're doing it, right? So I'm not fully deep into this World Cup, I guess it's because of all these political issues, but somehow Beenie Man found his way there, and it's a good look. However, it needs to be careful because a lot of things be going on nowadays, internet exposing alien operation and weird beings and weird things appearing in America there. So it's crazy out there in the world, Yeah, but as I say, Brazil, we're bringing Brazil. We birth, I said Brazil. I'm upset with Vybz Kartel. Oh, him is a fan of Argentina. And Beenie Man is a fan of Brazil. Oh, Kartel. That's how the thing goes still, you know what I mean? I guess because that's the thing, I can't tell why Kartel say Argentina still, I think it's because, alright, you see, Kartel older than me, So when I was a boy, much younger, and understood the football and, the greatness of Brazil, Pele and the whole Maradona and Argentina, it's always Brazil or Argentina. So you have to understand, say Kartel is just one of them where chose the other great side, which is Argentina. Because it's always been Brazil or Argentina, especially for Jamaicans, and they have been the side to impress the world, with their matches. It's one of the most highly anticipated match with Brazil against Argentina, especially for Jamaicans. You know what I'm saying? So Maradona to Messi, you know what I mean? And a lot of other Argentines have made their name popular and famous amongst Jamaicans here too and worldwide, But the fact that we're here and talking about Vybz Kartel and Beenie Man, we'll definitely understand why Kartel can say Argentina, However, Brazil I had went with, and Brazil is like a Vybz Kartel. Them not really feel way, you know what I mean? Because they have done greatness. So even when them give others time for reign, like when Kartel go prison or jail for 13 years, so Brazil go away sometime and them forward again on top of them game. So we are looking for Brazil take this home, and we're looking for Argentina in the finals. I call it from now. Argentina versus Brazil finals, and Brazil gonna beat their ass. And we're calling this 4-3 final score. 4-3. Right? They gonna tie 3-3 in the end zone, and then the penalty is gonna strike, and that's gonna be over for Argentina as the Brazilian takes it by a hair. Because the Brazilian here now, read the signs in the universe, it's Brazil time. Get them Brazilian hairs, ladies. Get them Brazilian hair. Yeah, we have them here. The Brazilian hair. You be a Brazilian hair if you get them Brazilian hair. And I got big woman with titties around here. Got big woman with big titties around here. I ain't scared. Attack it. Yeah, there's Camielle. Hey Camielle, you know that Munga is free. You know that he'll do anything and just a little appeal now. Straight up loving and no black door deal. Couldn't hide, couldn't find, can't conceal. Love like you, girl. You know we met you, girl. I'm not Michael Jackson, but you rock my world. May I say that you're more valuable than the rubies and pearl? I want you in my arms, and if your head up on my shoulder, I would keep you warm. And if your head on my shoulder, we can really day. Beenie Man is getting older, so let me take you for a walk. Oh. Yeah, Camielle. I want good girl, you know. I want bad girl, you know. She have a little piece of boat and she bad girl, you know. She up in the place and a bad girl, you know. If she did broke, she would have robbed girl, you know. And you never did bad, she would have man, you know. If you never have a gun, she would have stab, you know. If you never have a knife, she would have one, you know. If you never have a life, she would have plan, you know. Watch, you know. And her plan would have God, you know. Should have married all to God and have that, you know. And she would have been the queen and have that, you know. And she would have been the Mary for have man, you know. Watch, you know. You would have praise and trashless. Watch, you know. Have righteous and conscious. Watch, you know. Have head and stand partialous. Watch, you know. Watch, you know. I'm gonna tell you what, you know. Hey, never know. I gotta go. I gotta see you tomorrow. I gotta go. Another slow. Another new style. Another watch out. Watch out, well, make you and watch out, have a new style, and watch out, have a new style, and watch out, have a new style, watch out, never watch out, have a six pan, but it hands that, you know, I may never ever see your hands that, you know, and you never know, tell me up one blind, you know, I'm up, come standing up, be a big bombing up, bombing up, be a big fan, you know, and grinding up. A big time, you know, and dancing up, watch, you know, have a new style, and thank you know, watch, you know, have a new style, gentle, watch, you know, have a new style, and conscious, watch, you know, have a new style, where they bounce about, watch, you know, have a new style, of a lacalus, watch, you know, have a new style, wicked lacalus, watch, you know, you know, wicked lacalus, watch, you know, have a new style, wicked lacalus, watch, you know, have a new style, wicked lacalus, have a new style, wicked lacalus, watch, you know, like you them, they feel lacalus, watch, you know, get to you with them, live in Lavasho, watch, you know, I know you just, I know Barbados, watch, you know, I know you just, Kapalatabos, watch, you know, I know you just, Katakabashot, watch, you know, I know you just, just, watch, you know, have a new style, with a few while, then a few Kyle, from 3 mile, or a few mile, you know, you mile, no 6 mile, you know, this mile, watch, you know, with the hands that, you know, watch, you know, I'm a shirt them with patch, you know, watch, you know, if you never know, then you're that a boss, watch, you know, never know, same like a chavos, watch, you know, I was a bios, watch, you know, and the hold them, as a chavos, watch, you know, I'm a new style, sick a chavos, watch, you know, Masika, him can't sick like a boss, watch, you know, tell sick a rhyme, forget better, cause him no sick like for me love letter. Suicide note is a sickness, but it no sickness, just like a hit list. Watch, you know, watch, you know, and up to them head and dash, you know, and I throw away them bad kids and dash, you know, watch, you know, have a new style, well, like a vote, watch, you know, and a new style, like a vote, watch, you know, if you knew this, you know, like a vote, like a new style, wicked like a vote, is a new style, wicked like a vote, watch, you know, and I know that, watch, you know, that I know that, free up all the lost, watch, you know, and I know that, free up all the lost, watch, you know, that I know that, free up all the lost, watch, you know, watch, you know, watch, you know, watch, you know, like a cosmos, wicked like a boss, watch, you know,
like a bus, watch out, and make it like a bus, watch out, send your 3 feet deep in the dust, watch out, like a bus, watch out, like a bus, watch out, like a bus, we can like a bus, is a belly, cantangerous, watch out, is a wicked, cantangerous, watch out, is a serious, cantangerous, watch out, them a belly, we can like a bus, watch out, them a demon, we can like a bus, watch out, not a demon, we can like a bus, watch out, all the demon, we can like a bus, watch out, wicked like a bus, watch out, wicked like a bus, watch out, with a deep, and cantangerous, watch out, with a wicked, and cantangerous, watch out, hell ground, not a we playground, yes. We hell bound, but a we playground, yes. We hell bound, but a we playground, yeah. We hell bound, but a we playground, yeah. Watch out, them not aim and a wicked like a bus. Them not aim and a wicked like a bus. Watch out, watch out, watch out, we go creeping, one jealous, watch out, we go living, for them so jealous, watch out, when them have a jealous, watch out, them a baby, them a jealous, watch out, coffee a jealous, watch out, them a naked, kill a jealous, watch out, them a wicked, kill a jealous, whatever, don't go dry up, ton MASKITA dust, ton MASKITA to dust, MASKITA to dust, ton MASKITA to dust, wicked like a boss, them no ready, 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 them no ready, them no ready, wicked like a boss, them no ready, wicked like a boss, them no ready, wicked like a boss, them no ready, ton MASKITA to dust, when me ready, ton MASKITA to dust, when me ready, ton MASKITA to dust, them no jealous, them no ready, and them so jealous, them no ready, them just so jealous, them no ready, them just so jealous, them no ready, them just so jealous, them the world boss and them get jealous, they're jealous, them the world boss and get jealous, it's leprous.
Hey!
What is under my nose? I'm out.